A flood emergency is ongoing through parts of Lismore, and torrential rainfall is continuing through parts of northeast New South Wales, and a severe weather warning is current from the Queensland border all the way down to Port Macquarie and extending inland as well. And this is for heavy to intense rainfall and damaging winds. Now, over the last 24 hours, we've seen some incredible rainfall numbers in southeast Queensland and particularly northeast New South Wales, where we've seen widespread 300 to 500 millimetres. Of particular concern is the number of heavy rainfall we saw through the Wilsons catchment, which includes the Lismore area, where we see isolated falls in excess of 700 millimetres in the 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning, and that is leading to catastrophic flooding through our community of Lismore, with many homes and properties inundated with water. And unfortunately, the rain is continuing through parts of northeast New South Wales, with a widespread 50 to 100 millimetres since 9 o'clock this morning. And looking at the radar, it is continuing to rain through large parts of northeast New South Wales, but you can see a very slow clearance from the north as this low finally starts moving southwards. So we should see the rain ease in the afternoon and evening hours, but major flooding is ongoing for many rivers across the northeast after this widespread heavy rainfall, and that rain will focus down towards Grafton and Coffs Harbour and possibly Port Macquarie as we move into tonight and tomorrow. Now, looking at the major flooding going on across many rivers across northeastern parts of New South Wales, where the Wilson, the Clarence, the Richmond River are all in major flood warning, the Tweed as well, and even rivers down towards Coffs Harbour are starting to experience moderate to major flooding, and this is likely to continue tonight and into tomorrow. So if you live in this part of the world, please stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings and listen to all advice from emergency services. Now, looking at the coming days, first off, we'll see that rainfall start to clear as we move into Monday night and Tuesday, thankfully leading to a drying out through there by Monday night and Tuesday morning, but major flooding will continue through tomorrow. And then as we move into the midweek time frame, we should see conditions that continue to ease in this part of the world, but the focus will shift down to southern and central parts of New South Wales as the low redevelops offshore and then swings onshore on Wednesday and Thursday, bringing widespread heavy rain, damaging winds and possible coastal erosion, particularly on Wednesday and Thursday, from the Newcastle area all the way down to the Victorian border. And looking at some of the total rainfall numbers, in the short term in the northeast, we'll see these heavy falls tonight, but they'll mostly ease by tonight into tomorrow morning, but still widespread 50 to 150 millimetres is possible. Then zooming further out through parts of central and southern parts of New South Wales, while there'll be widespread rain and storms across inland New South Wales, it really is Wednesday and Thursday where we're concerned about heavy falls along the central and southern coast, widespread 1 to 200 millimetres, with isolated falls in excess of that, likely to lead to flash and riverine flooding through midweek in this part of the world. So if you are in northeast New South Wales or anywhere along the east coast of New South Wales, please stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media. Listen to all advice from emergency services, and we'll continue to keep you updated here at the Bureau.